no external air and power. We have no external air and power.
Chief, turn on the ground power. Chief,
Copy.
connect ground air supply.
We have
Copy.
no external air and power.
Ground power is now on. Ground air supply is now
Chief, turn on
connected.
the ground power. Chief,
Copy.
connect ground air supply.
We have no
Copy.
external air and power.
Ground power is now on. Ground air supply is now
Chief, turn on
connected.
the ground power. Chief,
Copy.
connect ground air supply.
We have no
Copy.
external air and power.
Ground power is now on. Ground air supply.
Okay. ICS comm check. Roger that. Okay, ready? Check landing gear indication extended and transition light off. Select LTS on master test switch and verify all lights illuminate. Select fire dead X on master test selector and verify left and right fire go lights illuminate. Next item, select INST on master test selector and verify that engine, fuel, wing sweep, and alpha instruments are working. Arm ejection seat. Close the canopy. Set gun rate, Sidewinder cool off, missile prep off, missile mode norm on ACM panel. Make sure emergency store jettison push light is out. Set air source to off. Set hydraulic transfer pump to off. Set emergency flight hydraulics to low and check for on flag and emergency flight high hydraulic pressure low hydraulic pressure window. Set emergency flight hydraulics to high and check for on flag and emergency flight high hydraulic pressure window. Set emergency flight hydro to auto. Engine crank switch to right. Right throttle to idle at 20% RPM. Check that crank switch returns to off at around 50% RPM. Check that right generator and right fuel pressure caution lights are off. Check engine instruments within normal parameters. Order plane captain to disconnect external power.
Chief, turn off the ground power.
Engine crank switch to left. When combined hydraulic pressure reaches 3,000 psi, switch engine crank switch back to off. Set hydraulic transfer pumps to normal. Set hydraulic transfer pump to off. Set engine crank to left. Left throttle to idle at 20% RPM. Now, check that crank switch returns to off at around 50% RPM. Check that left generator and left fuel pressure caution lights are off. Check engine instruments within normal parameters. Order the plane captain to disconnect the external air.
Chief, disconnect ground air supply.
Cycle air source switch to left, right, then both engines and verify airflow in all positions. Set hydraulic transfer pump to normal. Stability augmentation on. Cycle engine mode selectors and verify that each engine's secondary mode caution light illuminates. Set UHF function selector to TR plus G or both. Set TACAN function selector to transmit receive. ARA 63 power switch to on. Turn on all displays. Turn on radar altimeter. Set trim to 0. Erect the standby attitude gyro. Extend speed brake partially, retract then extend fully. Check for fluctuations in stabilizer to verify integrated trim operations. Extend and retract refuel probe. Emergency wing sweep handle to full forward. Set external lights according to the situation. Verify flaps and slats operation and then down. Flight controls wipeout. Toggle DLC and verify stabilator shift with DLC input. Set anti-skid spoiler brake switch to spoiler only. Test spoilers and throttles. Set anti-skid spoiler brake switch to off. Retract flaps and splats. Set maneuver flaps to down. Set wing sweep to 50 degrees using manual mode. Retract maneuver flaps. Set wing sweep mode to bomb and verify maneuver flap retraction. Set emergency sweep handle to 68 degrees. Then oversweep until HZ tail authorization caution light goes out and over flag appears in wing sweep indicator. Set wing sweep mode to auto. Press the master reset button. Run radar altimeter bit by depressing the knob. Check that displays are set as needed. Run TACAN bit. Run ARA 63 bit. Set altimeter reference pressure and reset mode. Compare compass heading with IMU heading on HUD, VDI, HSD, and BDHI. Check flight instruments. Okay. All right, ready to taxi.
Springfield 1,
Friendly, 040, 59 miles. Angels 12. There's a friendly 2-ship, Bra, 345, 49 miles. Angels 13.